What is hospice? Hospice in medical billing refers to a special type of care provided to patients who are terminally ill, usually with a life expectancy of 6 months or less.
Hospice is for?
Instead of trying to cure the disease, hospice focuses on pain relief, comfort care, emotional and spiritual support, improving quality of life. Where hospice care provided. Hospice care is typically given when curative treatment is stopped. It can be provided at home in a hospice facility, in a nursing home, in a hospital. The goal is comfort, not cure. When is a patient eligible for hospice? 1. Terminal illness, life expectancy less than 6 months. The patient is diagnosed with a disease that cannot be cured, and a physician certifies the patient has a life expectancy of 6 months or less. 2. Patient refuses curative treatment. The disease could be treated, but the treatment is life-threatening or burdensome, and the patient chooses to decline curative treatment, and life expectancy is still 6 months or less. In both cases, the patient qualifies for hospice care. What happens when hospice is elected? Once a patient chooses hospice, the patient stops receiving treatment intended to cure or control the terminal illness. Hospice care focuses on pain relief, symptom management, comfort care, emotional and spiritual support. Medicare hospice election rules. When hospice coverage is elected, the beneficiary waives rights to Medicare Part B payments for services that are related to the terminal condition. Hospice agency becomes responsible for managing and paying for hospice-related services. Billing rules for physicians. 1. Services by hospice-employed attending physician if the attending physician is employed by or contracted with the hospice. Claims must be submitted to the hospice contractor, not Medicare Part B. 2. GV modifier, independent attending physician. Use GV modifier when the attending physician is not employed by the hospice and does not receive payment from hospice, and services are related to the terminal illness. Submit claim to Medicare Part B. Append GV modifier. GV equals attending physician not paid by hospice. 3. GW modifier, unrelated services. Use GW modifier when the service provided is not related to the hospice terminal diagnosis. Submit claim to Medicare Part B. Append GW modifier. GW equals service unrelated to hospice condition. Superfast memory trick. GV equals attending physician not paid by hospice, related service. GW equals unrelated condition. Here are real-world hospice billing example. Scenario 1. The family doctor still involved, GV modifier. Scenario 2. Hospice doctor managing symptoms, no modifier. Scenario 3. A completely different illness, GW modifier. Scenario 4. The unexpected fall, GW modifier. Mary Johnson is enrolled in hospice for metastatic lung cancer. She has chosen comfort care and no longer wants aggressive cancer treatment. Even after electing hospice, she wants her longtime family physician, Dr. Robert Smith, to remain her attending physician. Dr. Smith is not employed or paid by the hospice. One afternoon, Mary visits Dr. Smith for worsening cancer-related pain. He evaluates her and adjusts her pain medication. Billing, CPT 99213, diagnosis, lung cancer. Submit to Medicare Part B, modifier, GV. Why? The service is related to her hospice diagnosis, provided by an attending physician who is not paid by hospice. The GV modifier tells Medicare, attending physician service related to hospice. Medicare Part B pays the claim. Scenario 2. Hospice doctor managing symptoms, no modifier. John Anderson is on hospice for end-stage heart failure. His breathing worsens at home. Dr. Michael Brown visits him to adjust medications and manage symptoms. Dr. Brown works directly for the hospice agency. Billing, CPT home visit code, example 99349. Submit to hospice contractor, Why? The physician is employed by hospice. Service is related to terminal condition. Hospice services are bundled into the hospice payment. Medicare Part B is not billed separately. Scenario 3. A completely different illness, GW modifier. Patricia Miller is enrolled in hospice for end-stage COPD. 1 week later, she develops burning during urination and fever. She is diagnosed with a urinary tract infection, UTI, completely unrelated to her COPD. She visits an outside physician who treats her UTI. Billing. CPT 99214. Diagnosis: UTI. Submit to Medicare Part B modifier, GW. Why? The patient is on hospice, but the service is unrelated to the hospice diagnosis. The GW modifier tells Medicare, this service is not related to the hospice condition. Scenario 4. The unexpected fall, GW modifier. William Davis is on hospice for terminal pancreatic cancer. His care is focused on comfort. One evening, he slips in the bathroom and fractures his wrist. His family rushes him to the emergency room. The ER physician evaluates him, orders X-rays, and confirms a wrist fracture. Billing. CPT, ER visit, example 99284. Diagnosis: wrist fracture. Submit to Medicare Part B modifier, GW. Why? The fracture is unrelated to pancreatic cancer. Even though he is on hospice, Medicare still pays for unrelated conditions. Emergency room bills Medicare Part B with GW modifier.